Here at DTG, we always consider the cybersecurity of operational technology to be a key part of any digital transformation, as you cannot guarantee return on investment on any digital project if you do not protect the long-term benefit from a potential cyber attack. And that's why we created CAsT, or the Cyber Assessment Tool. CAsT has the mission of equipping business leaders with the tools that they require to measure and manage their OT cyber risk, suitable for a single site or across a network of sites. As a tool, CAsT addresses head-on all of the gaps that we have found in the industry in an easy-to-use online platform. The tool is designed to be a one-stop shop for all things OT and OT cybersecurity. The Cyber Assessment Tool is a platform for building and managing your OT inventory, assessing your OT assets, technical processes and business practices for gaps in your cybersecurity posture, visualizing that risk to identify trends and create an effective plan for the future, and then lastly, lifecycle managing solutions in a way that maintains visibility. The security of operational technology is critical in today's connected manufacturing plants, but it's often poorly managed and poorly communicated. There are many examples of high-profile attacks in recent memory that prove that security of OT is critical and that OT is vulnerable. This is becoming truer every year as we look to connect systems to extract data and value from legacy systems. Many businesses recognize that in order to drive transformational change in this space, you need a dedicated OT cybersecurity strategy. But these recent statistics tell a scary story that maybe we haven't quite learned those lessons yet. And it's clear that businesses are not prepared to respond to a cybersecurity attack, even taking on average 206 days to even identify a breach. And that's what the literature is telling us. But in our experience, and we've engaged with over 30 clients, small, medium and large, across pharma, CDMOs and across modalities, and we have found 6 clear gaps in the industry. First, clients could not properly quantify their current risk. Many organizations have a very poor understanding of their of building an effective cybersecurity strategy. We have found that many organizations do not understand how well they are managing their OT security. And what I mean by this is that it can be difficult to lifecycle manage your program and then verify the risk reduction from any solution and therefore justify the investment. We found this is poorly communicated with leadership, leading to decreased sponsorship and decreased engagement. Next, with a network of sites, a leadership team could go and ask each site in a network to investigate and come up with a cybersecurity strategy. And every site would provide a different answer with different reasonings and a different approach, which is difficult to manage. Next, visualization and dashboarding of project progress and risk reduction is often overlooked as part of an OT security strategy and again decreases engagement from senior members. We have found that OT security strategies tend to focus on the technology and look for technical solutions when significant risk reductions can be made by looking at the wider business process, your business holistically. And lastly, it's common for organizations to pay for expensive audits that are incredibly disruptive, take up a lot of operator time and become quickly outdated. CAsT was designed with a modern manufacturing facility in mind and was created with those industry gaps at its core. We believe that the tool delivers benefit in a way that other services do not, by being designed with business leaders in mind. We aim to help translate the often black box that is cyber into something that's easy to understand, track and manage, and ultimately improves engagement. CAsT is a cycle product, and that means that as you change your processes, expand your manufacturing, etc., you can update your inventory and reassess to keep your scores up to date. Our data model is risk quantified using international standards, so status and progress is easy to understand. The tool is completely focused on delivering benefit for the business in the form of reducing risk, which we do with a holistic view of the business, and the platform is designed to work with a network of sites so that leaders can see big picture trends and keep on top of change as it happens.